How to fix Viber not sending messages. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will show you how you can fix if the Viber app is not sending messages, so you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to fix if the Viber application is not sending messages at all you need to do is, first of all, this could be happening due to a couple of reasons. Just make sure you have updated the Viber app to the latest version. If you're on Android, open up your Google Play Store, and if you're on your iOS device, open up your Apple App Store. Once you've updated both of these respective apps to the latest version, you also want to make sure to check your internet connection second to none. So if you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data, and if you're using cellular data, try to switch to Wi-Fi, vice versa. And then after that, if it still doesn't, then just go ahead and open it up. And then the other reason could be because that person most likely have mute or blocked you. So in order to check that, if you're trying to send messages but it's not sending to that person, try to send to other people who are friends with you or contacts with you on Viber. If the message sent to that person as well and only fails to send to one specific person, it means that person could have most likely blocked you, so you want to be aware of that. But if you're not being able to send it to everyone, then the problem could likely be with your Viber application in and of itself. So what you want to do is, first of all, if you're on Android, long press on the Viber app icon, tap on the I button over here, and once you do so, scroll down to the bottom, go to storage, clear cache, and if possible clear data, but make sure you've backed up everything before you clear data, because after you clear your data, your chats and everything else is going to be deleted. Then you also want to come to the permissions tab and then make sure that you've allowed all of the permissions over here, and once you've done so, you'll have successfully fixed your Viber not sending messages. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.